Welcome, engineers. Today, I'll walk you through the Transformer Sizing Interactive Calculator, an essential tool, Surshkenkin, that solves one of the most critical problems in electrical design, selecting the right transformer capacity for your specific load requirements, while avoiding costly oversizing or dangerous undersizing. Let's examine each input field. First, total connected load in kilowatts represents the sum of all equipment nameplate ratings in your facility. For a small manufacturing plant, this might be 500 kilowatts. Next, demand factor is the ratio of maximum demand to connected load, typically ranging from 0.6 to 0.8 for industrial facilities. Power factor indicates how efficiently your load uses power, usually between 0.85 and 0.95 for modern installations. Load growth factor accounts for future expansion, commonly set at 1.2 to 1.3 for a 20% growth allowance. Finally, ambient temperature derating adjusts for operating conditions, with 1.0 for standard 40 degrees Celsius environments. Let me demonstrate with a real example. Enter 500 kilowatts connected load, 0.7 demand factor, 0.9 power factor, 1.25 growth factor, and 1.0 temperature derating. The calculator instantly computes your required transformer size as 400 ahir, 86 kVA, recommending a standard 500 kVA unit with 6% spare capacity. Your outputs include the exact kVA requirement, the next standard transformer size, and the resulting spare capacity percentage. Use these values to specify transformers in your electrical drawings and equipment schedules, ensuring adequate capacity without excessive capital expenditure. Here's a critical insight. Never confuse connected load with actual demand. Using connected load directly leads to transformers oversized by 40 to 50%, wasting thousands in unnecessary costs. Find the link in the description below.